It's foiling day for the Stained Glass Donation Project. So let's go over a few tricks that can help you avoid tears in curved parts of your glass. Tears are not great. And when I first started, I completely accepted them, thinking the solder would simply flow over the tear and all would be good. Yeah, that's not the case. Your solder will only go where the foil is. So you'll end up knowing exactly where that tear was after soldering. I've tried so many methods to avoid tears over the past year. You can warm up your foil with a heating pad. You can add saddles over the tears. You can preemptively add saddles where you think the foil will tear. Or you can make a sacrifice to the stained glass gods if that's your thing. Okay, I don't recommend that last one. It just gets messy, they don't return your calls, and you're left eating chicken for a week. But I am hooked on the overlap method. Start your foil in the middle of the curve. That's the key. Then apply foil as normal. And when you get to the starting point, leave a good ½ inch of foil overlapping where you began. The foil tears because it can only stretch so much, and with curves, the foil has to work overtime to cover that area, usually resulting in a tear. However, when the ends are overlapped in the curve, the end pieces have more freedom to shift and be more accommodating, resulting in fewer tears. It also helps if you have good quality foil. But what if there are too deep inward curves? Great question. This still feels weird to do, but it makes sense based on what we've just covered. When there are two curves you want to overlap, start the foil in curve number 1. And when you get 2/3 of the way into the second curve, simply tear the foil, take 2 steps back, and overlap where you ended, then keep going. This piece has 2 inward curves, so 2 overlapping sections and 0 tears. What's up? Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to tap the follow button if you enjoy seeing stained glass art get created one process at a time, with tips, tricks, and tutorials sprinkled into the mix. Or if you just want to support a dude playing a dude disguised as another dude. Tropic Thunder, what's up? We have fun learning over here. That's wild.